Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make elderberry cordial using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: fresh or dried elderberries, water, and sugar. For this recipe, we'll use approximately 2 cups of elderberries and 4 cups of water. This simple approach ensures a delicious and beneficial cordial with minimal effort, perfect for beginners or busy schedules. Begin by gently rinsing your elderberries to remove any debris. Next, place the cleaned elderberries into a saucepan and add 4 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring the berries soften and release their beneficial properties into the liquid. After simmering for about 20 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat. Let the elderberry mixture cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for safety and flavor. Once cooled, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl, pressing gently on the solids to extract all the flavorful juice. Now, stir in 1 cup of sugar until it is completely dissolved, adjusting to your taste if desired. Pour your finished elderberry cordial into clean, sterilized bottles. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep fresh for up to 3 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cordial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.